Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho Projects to connect with Google Workspace. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your Zoho Projects account in your web browser. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or the settings icon. In the drop-down menu, select Integrations. Look for the Google Workspace option in the Integrations list. Click on the Connect button next to Google Workspace. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google Workspace email address. Click Next to continue. Next, enter your Google Workspace password. Click Next again. You'll see a permissions window detailing the access Zoho Projects requires. Review the permissions carefully. If you agree, click the Allow button. You will be redirected back to the Zoho Projects page. A notification will confirm that Google Workspace has been successfully authorized. Now you can start integrating Google Workspace features into your Zoho Projects. Explore the various tools like Google Drive, Calendar, and Gmail from within Zoho Projects. That's all for connecting Zoho Projects with Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.